How's it going, everyone? I want to make a quick video on Palantir over the weekend here, as I was mentioning this as if we do get away from this EMA 5 for multiple candles, and we start hugging this upper band, this red band, which is my Keltner channel. It's customized to extreme settings so that if it does hit it, it's very overextended. I don't just use the basic RSI and all that. I don't like that stuff. What I use is time distance from the EMAs, which is your price targets. Everything will hit it. As you can see, when price goes up, where do we happen? We go down. Anything in price history, don't just keep going up and up and up. We had these nice reversions to the mean, and that's what I'm thinking up in here at this range. We're super extended, and then we have a weekly candle starting to touch this upper band. So I think this is a very great opportunity to make a correction. I'm not saying this is just going to go plummeting down, but a correction to this EMA 5 from this level here is an 8.5% move down. And if you're doing options or even just shorting shares here, that is a great move down. So yeah, I want to look into this one here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We're at 4 daily candles not touching the EMA 5. I would like to see around 5 to 6. If we get that, that would be my golden number. My golden ratio is 6 because usually on the 7th candle, you see that EMA 5 get hit drastically. We're also looking at an 85 on the K. Anything above 90 is really high. So that's the next thing I would like to look for. But yeah, we have the daily here. We're just missing about 2 daily candles. And I'm for sure getting in this if we haven't touched this EMA 5 in 2 daily candles, and we're above the this ATR 4 here. And then the next thing is looking at the longer term perspective. You don't see this much for any stocks having a weekly candle like that. And if you see this, look at this. The last time we touched that was probably way back in here, and then we had this nice swift kick down. So, and like I said, from this here to the top here, that was a 21% move down. Very nice returns. And even on the weekly, you will go back to your reversion to the mean. You see how you hit this EMA 20 to a T and then it started going up? As long as you're above the EMA 20, you respect that, that is an uptrend. You can see this perfectly. EMA 20 hits here, goes up, hits here, goes up, hits here, goes up, and it's been respecting that forever. Right here, it got a little dicey, it went a little under, but the candle closed above it, which is more importantly. And now we're looking for, like, okay, would I like to buy it up here? No. I mean, could it go higher? Yes. Anybody that says it can't is being crazy. Anybody that says it can't go down is being crazy too. I'd like to play the probabilities. The probabilities of this going down and hitting the EMA 5 is very good. And even hitting the EMA 10, but I'm not looking for this target here. Just a simple correction down to the EMA 5 is an 8%. And if you're doing puts, that is a very nice gain. And you can see their option change, that it's very liquid when you see lots of options like that. Like if I was going to do an option, I look for about 17 January, and I can kind of look at the IVs. They're a little high, but they're not like tremendously high. They're 48%, 50%, so not too bad there. Like, yeah, this is looking very good. I'm just kind of like waiting it out here. And what I like to do is I like to buy at the end of the day. You can kind of see if you buy it. Let's just say you buy it right at the market open here on the 15 minutes, you might see like, oh, okay, we'll buy here. But look, it just slowly crept up. And you'll see that a lot. This one right here was just a big move down and then up. Yeah, and look at that. It went down swiftly. And so that's kind of what I'm looking for. Something like this that just comes down, and like I said, I'm here to make quite a nice gain here. As this more goes up, I have the weekly confirming, the daily confirming. I'm only missing the time distance from the EMA 5, and this can go up. 6 candles not touching it, and if it does that, I look for the extreme moves, and that's the part of the strategy of the trend reversal strategy. We look for that extreme move and overreaction, and then we take it down, and then it could go straight to the EMA 5 or to the 10 and to the 20. We don't know that, but I do know that the possibility of just going straight down to those areas are a lot more rare, because when you have a trend that's hugging this upper band here, usually it's a pretty nice trend. It's pretty strong. So usually what happens is you touch the 5 and you go up. Now, where would I like to go long? I personally like to just hit the EMA 20 for me to go long and bullish, because I can put a stop loss about 5% under to 10. I'll probably do about 7. I kind of just judge it how it is. And you can see, like, well, if it goes way below this 20, then I want to be stopped out, as I don't think this is as strong as a trend. So that's what I'm looking for, and I did that with DJT. It was a very nice gain here. You can see right in here how I played it before the elections here. I played it right here in the EMA 20 area. Didn't get stopped out, and it just went up dramatically as we follow the trend, right? This went up about 60%. You can see, look, same scenario. Everyone didn't think this would happen. We hit this upper band, and guess what happened? It just plummeted down. Where did it go to? EMA 20, and that is your uptrend. Now it looks like it's trying to form a downtrend as you're below the 20, and now the 20 is acting as resistance. That's scary. And that's the kind of the same thing I'm looking for Palantir. Everyone has hype. Everyone's hopium. Everyone thinks this can't go down. The same thing with DJT. They all do the same thing. They hit this, and even with Tesla, I did this on. I made massive money doing puts and all that. So I would like to say, okay, short term, EMA 5 is going to hit. Long term, if I want to be bullish, I want to buy it on the EMA 20. That way I have a nice clear stop loss where I can place it. Whereas if I buy it on the 5, the 10, I mean, my stop loss, I mean, look at this. Your stop loss is way down here. This is a pretty big margin to go down, right? So that's why I like to play that. So that's my two scenarios. If it keeps going up, sure, I can make money on the flip side. If it just plummets down, then I look to be going long. So I have two sides I want to take. It just depends on what the market gives me. All right, guys, if you guys do want to join the Discord, feel free to join. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments below and in the description. It'll be pinned. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe. If you have an Android, you will have to use your phone's browser like Google or just use your computer. There's been some issues with Android, but once you do that, then you can use your Android just as fine. Avoid scammers. I'll never message you, DM you, or trade your accounts. And then also go ahead and just hit day trade alerts here on the subscriptions, and that'll give you the access to the highest membership for only $12 a month. And you'll get swing trade alerts, day trade alerts, all the education, live streams, and then being part of a premium chat community. Yeah, and that's about it. If you hit server shop here or service subscriptions, you can read about it. I offer 2 memberships. Very simple. Keep it simple, stupid trading. Swing trading is what I talked about right here. This is a swing trading strategy of trend reversals where, when we hit these extremes, we look for a down move. Do I know when it's going to exactly go down? No, but I can get very close to the top here and make a nice size return, and that's really the name of the game, is using probabilities. And the more it goes up, the probabilities are bulls of it going against you is bad. So would I buy it here? No. Can it keep going up? Yes. But if it does keep going up, then I'd be looking to buy puts and short it. And then I have Daily Swing Trading Plus. It's $12 a month. That's the highest value service. That's where you can be get way more alerts. And I think you guys are going to love the day trading strategy. I try to put out 1 to 2 day trades a day using a very nice consistent strategy. And if you watch the day trading education videos, I think you guys are going to really like this. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be looking at this one. I'll let you guys know in the Discord. I'll put it into swing trade alerts right in here when I do decide to get into Palantir to the downside. And then also to the upside if we hit the EMA 20. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think about it. And I'll see you in the Discord.